Okay, so unfortunately, I didn't ask for sponsorship, so this is an unsponsored thing. But if you are using IDE called PyCharm to develop Python and other code, this is something you'll want to hear, I guess. So recent version of PyCharm has introduced a new feature that enables people to share their IDE. They can see what changes are being made, what's being clicked, selected, and guests can, given permission, also edit your code, or even maybe we can test out, go through your terminal. So Jure has generated a token and send it to me via undisclosed channel, and I will connect to his session. Okay.
So basically what I do here is like I get like here I clicked on like start sharing. You get like an icon here, and it's called Code with Me. I have a paid version of PyCharm, so there are no time limits. And in the free community version, I think you have like 45 minutes time limit.
Something like that.
Yeah.
It's connecting.
So what you get here is, so I'll just do this again and paste it here for a bit, is you get like this long hash thing that you basically just click and it downloads like the whole Jetbrains viewer if you want to. Or you can, here we go. So someone wants to join. We do the security code thing.
Oh,
we accept.
I don't see that window where you acknowledge connecting. That's fun.
Sorry, because I'm just sharing my PyCharm.
Ah.
Okay, so now there's like an arc here.
Yeah, that's me. You can also turn on my video, I guess. Or is that something I need to do?
So we can also do like a voice call inside here. So I think it will gonna like it gets you like an extra interface on the side. And what this allows us to do is I can do like model spy, and I can force Roman to follow me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So he will now see this directly. Or
okay. I'll force you to follow me, and I'll do something. You stop moving your mouse. Okay. I got it. See, I'm actually typing here. No, you only have read access granted for me.
Yeah, so I gave Roman only read access. What I can do here is also the permissions. So I can say, hey, you can edit files, or I could give him full access. And he would then also has like, he could, run terminal stuff.
Yeah, we don't see that menu on Zoom.
Hold on. Share screen, share the whole desktop. There we go. So I click here, permissions. Now you get like, I can define levels of permissions. And I'll just apply this, and now Roman can type into my IDE.
Cool.
And I think like if I go around now, you can see this here. But what's more interesting is I can also follow him now. So you can like select the file on the left, and it will just open for me in my IDE, for example.
Yeah, I'm clicking through. No, nothing happened. Okay, I'm opening another file here.
Yeah, it's at least in my window is like moving around. Okay, so now now because it's like enough, I can just kind of like, okay, bye. And he's gone.
And I would also be able to use his terminal if I were granted access. So you can basically do paired programming fully informed here. So you can use the terminal without guiding a person to type something. You can just do it yourself. Sometimes it's just easier to do that.
Yeah, I'm going crazy trying to teach people over Slack sharing or Zoom. It's not good.
Yes, in my experience, sometimes it's just easier to type something down than to dictate, especially if somebody is new and doesn't know the keywords yet.
But can it get annoying potentially if someone were to like mess with you purposely? It does open the door for that, right?
Yeah, but you can just
You can
revoke
remove them,
access
right?
and go punch that person in the face.
Okay, that's good.
So Mateusz asked, like, is there a limit? Their website called something this swarm programming. So I assume it probably works as long as you have, like, their demo has like 6 people on it. So I assume it probably works for the first 10 or 20 people. And then you need a stronger computer.
Well, there, if you go to the link that Jure posted to the chat, they're advertising up to 50 people guests visiting. Yeah.
Do you think people are gonna start using this for coding interviews? Would it be useful for something like that? I mean, we already have the whiteboard apps, so I don't know.
I just want to answer, sorry, to Avatar, and the answer is only host needs to have a paid version. And the client doesn't even need to have JetBrains installed. Like the special link you do, it's like OS specific, and it just kind of downloads like a thin client that connects to your JetBrains IDE. So Alan, for the question you have is, what I noticed, not Code Minute, but JetBrains has like a learning tool called JetBrains Academy that actually gives you like a modified IDE that connects with their online learning stuff. So that's already one way that JetBrains is doing. And as far as I understand, you know, big companies are already giving you like a modified IDE, either in a, you know, in a cloud or something. So you don't have to worry about this. And the other day I also found like this running on a cloud thing from JetBrains that I posted into Slack, Python Slack, and that's perfect for interviewing. So yes, we'll probably see more and more of this.
Yeah, maybe.
That looks